Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload and start reading PDF documents within your Chatgpt. Now, to be able to do this, you'll need access to the plugins, and you're going to need access to this Access PDF and Documents. So to get this, you're going to click on your plugins, you're going to go down to Plugin Store, type in the name of the plugin, and then click Install. So that's this one over here, it's just slightly off screen. But that will give you access to this one here, Access PDF and Documents. Now, to upload the PDF document so it's readable, you're going to need your Google Drive, and you're going to need to upload your document PDF to Google Drive. Now, here is a file that we're going to use. This is just a test document. We're going to click on the three dots here, and then we're going to share. Click on share. Now here it says anyone with the link, so this can't be restricted. This has to be anyone with the link. Make sure it's anyone with the link. Copy the link, and then over here back in Chatgpt, you're going to ask the prompt, can you read this document, and then paste in the link directly to your Google Drive PDF. Click enter, and then as you can see, it says here that this is a test document. Is there any specific things you'd like to know about this document? So you can now upload PDF documents to your Chatgpt, and you can start summarizing it and just using it like you would a normal Chatgpt prompt. And that is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.